Want to save money on business insurance without sacrificing coverage? Here's how to bundle multiple policies with Next Insurance and get up to 10% off automatically. After you get your initial quote with Next Insurance, bundling is super easy. On the quote screen, you'll see your primary policy, like general liability or professional liability. Just scroll down and look for Add More Coverage button. Choose additional policies you need, like commercial auto, workers' comp, or cyber liability. Each one has a short description and starting price. As you add up a second or third policy, look at the right-hand side or bottom of the screen and you'll see your bundle discount automatically applied in real time. Usually up to 10% off, no coupon needed. It's transparent, flexible, and you only pay for what you actually use. Want to actually see how much you can save? Click the link in the description to get a custom quote with Next Insurance. Bundle the policies you need and lock in your discount today.